So we're watching it closely, but yeah, it's starting to look very worrisome, much like Allendale did.
Yeah, this is it. This is it right here. Potentially another very strong storm. Going to go through. Well, it's going through Pembroke right now. I don't know if there's a tornado on the ground. Hopefully, you're sheltered anyways, because you're under a tornado warning. But it's going to go up towards Blychten and Brighton right after that, and it does look like this is going to get stronger.